Feeling a bit bored with regular Minecraft? Want to spice things up and explore a whole new world of custom features? In this video, I'll walk you through how to install Minecraft mods the easy way, so you can upgrade your gameplay in minutes. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a like if you love Minecraft content. It helps out more than you think and keeps awesome tutorials coming your way. Alright, first things first, make sure Minecraft is closed. Then, head over to your browser and search for curseforge. This is the go-to platform for downloading Minecraft mods. Once you're on the site, navigate to the Minecraft section. You'll find featured mods, or you can click View All to browse by categories like popularity, downloads, or newest. Let's say you want to install the Iron Chests mod, go ahead and click on it. Now head over to the Files tab, and select the version that matches your Minecraft installation, for example, version 1.20.1. Quick tip, make sure you remember the exact version number of the mod you download, you'll need it later. Mods need something to talk to Minecraft. That's where Forge comes in, it's like the bridge between your game and the mods. Look for a version of the mod that says it's compatible with Forge, then press the 3 dots and download the file. You might be redirected to an ad-filled page, don't click random buttons. The download should begin in a few seconds automatically. Next, search for Forge itself on your browser. Head to the official Forge site, and choose the same game version that your mod uses. Click the installer button. Again, wait for the download page to finish counting down and skip the ad. Once downloaded, minimize your browser and open your downloads folder. Drag both the Forge installer and the mod file to your desktop for easy access. Running the Forge installer. Now let's install Forge. Double-click the Forge installer. If nothing happens, or a folder opens instead, don't worry. That usually means you need Java. Just go to java.com, download and install the latest version of Java. If the Forge file still doesn't open correctly, right-click it, select Open With, and choose Java. Make sure to tick the box to always use Java for these files. Still stuck? You can try using Jarfix, a tool that fixes broken Java file associations. I'll link it in the description for you. Finishing Forge setup. Once Java is set up properly, run the Forge installer again, select Install Client, and click OK. Now open up your Minecraft launcher. On the left side, select the version that says Forge and press play. You'll notice a new mods button has appeared, that means Forge is working.